So these are the commonly asked questions in WAEC. For those who are writing NECO and WAEC, so kindly gather here. So let's solve this question. We have this is the equation of the waves we are given. The question has to calculate its amplitude frequency from this expression here, okay? Now to solve this one, recall that we have the general equation of wave to be what? Y equal to A sine 2 pi x over wavelength minus what? Minus omega t, okay? Now these are what? So let me now combine this equation and this one together, okay? That's how to solve that. Now if you look at this one now, the coefficient of sine here is what? A. The coefficient, let me open this one from equation 1 now. Let me just equation 1, open the bracket. Equation 1 we can have y equal to sine, this one will give us what? 0.5 pi x minus what? 2000 pi t, okay? Equation 1 as well. Now I want to combine this equation 1 and 2 together from here and this one. Now the coefficient of sine here is what? A. The coefficient of sine here is what? Is 5. It means what? My A is equal to what? 5. So this one is what? Is amplitude, okay? So we call this one to be what? Amplitude. So we have done the first question. Now the second question is what? Calculate frequency. Okay, this is our mission here, right? Now if you can look at this one, we have t here, right? We also have what? T here. That means we are going to equate this one and this one together, okay? We have t here, also what? T here. Equate, let me call this one to be 3 to make it clear. So let me now equate equation 2 and 3 together. What does that mean? It means I can say 2000 pi t equal to what? Omega t, okay? Recall that we have w to be what? 2 pi, right? Now I want to equate this one together. I can say 2 pi ft is equal to what? 2000 pi t, right? Now I can divide both sides by what? By pi t, okay? So everything is what? Step by step. Pi t equal to what? 2000 pi t, right? Pi t. Now this one vanish here, this one also vanish. We have 2f equal to what? 2000, right? Now dividing both sides by 2, we have my what? Frequency to be what? 1000. This one be 1000. This one be 1000 hertz. Okay, so this is my answer. We are done with the what? Question number 2, right? The question also say calculate the wavelength. To get the wavelength here, look at this one. We have in here, we have what? X here, okay? We also have what? X here. It means this one and this one, you must equate it to each other, right? So let me quickly do this one. That is, I can see 0.5 pi x, right, is equal to what? 2 pi x over lambda. So let me go back to this expression. Look at it. This is what I'm saying here. You are just combining it, equating it. Xs, okay? Now here, now this s cancel, power also cancel, right? We can have what? 0.5 is equal to what? 2 over what? Pi, okay? Now here, now I can just what? You can see lambda is equal to what? 2 over 0.5. So it means this one is going to be what? Our answer is going to be what? 4 meter. We are done. Now what are the last question here we can get here as well? The question was calculate speed. That's the next mission here, okay? Now my wavelength here is what? Let me quickly write it. My wavelength is what? My wavelength, which is lambda, is equal to what? 4 meter. Don't forget, in physics you must not forget your units. Very, very important. Now the last thing is what? You need to calculate the what? The speed. What did I say? Speed. That is frequency times what? Wavelength. Now my wavelength is what? My frequency is 1000. Don't forget it. Which is 1000. What did I say? 1000 times what? This one is 4, right? This one will like give 4000 meter per second. So this is the final answer. Please kindly follow, like, comment, and